Yes, we're in the outside of the hospital right now. We're waiting for Laika. Laika is in labor. My brother also outside also guys. He's sleeping and yeah, we are lying down and sitting there guys. Using carton guys. Using carton. Wait, the Jollibee is over there. All Jollibee. Sana all Jollibee. We want Jollibee. What time is it today? It's 2 a.m. 2 in the midnight. And also guys, why is we're here outside guys? Because only the patient guys is inside